Alright, it is, it is 9:18 in the morning here in my area in North Carolina. It's a little bit windy, not too bad. The ground is still really wet. It's cool. It's really, cool out here. But as far as I know, in this general area, there's no damage. The sun is out, and seems to be a pretty good morning. It's just a cool October morning now, so yeah. My son had a 2-hour delay at school. He just got on the bus probably about 5 months ago. So yeah, but it's just, this has been a pretty good, it won't that much going on. So I wanted to update y'all on everything in my area. Really didn't get no damage in my general area here. I don't know about anywhere else, but here has been pretty good. So I want to let y'all know. All right, later, bye.